Hello, my name is Koshtura, and today I will talk about my program up common language of people or common language of nation to be correct. And today I will make a review of what I done from March to May. Uh, Development of speech-to-text program for people with hearing impairments. So about developing program. In the last few years, the demand for communication applications between people has been growing, so it is a fast way to communicate. Modern messengers are used for messaging, but the idea promoted people around the world to create a similar application for people with hearing impairments. So, the first and defining step to solving the global problem because people with disabilities live among us and also want to communicate. So I choose this problem and I wanted to solve it because it's very popular problem and I want to help people to make their life better and easier. So the user's diagram, how will users communicate and cooperate with my program. The first step is to make registration or enter the app. Making registration is not necessary. Users can enter the application without registration, of course, but this data will help us to improve our app to make it better and easier to use. The second step is to go to the main page. The main page will propose our user to choose function to make to recognize speech and make it into text. And of course there are others different options, but in this section I will talk only about speech to text. So the third step is to receive this text, and the last to receive quick answers. Of course, there are additional options and steps, for example, to choose another filters. What is filters? For example, if person if person is going to the cinema or to the theater or to the hospital or to the shop, supermarket, user can choose, may choose, it is not necessary, options, filters, and the speech-to-text function will be work more correctly and the results will be better. And of course there are additional options and it will be provided with the future versions. Speech recognition is the process of converting a speech signal into a text stream. This technology is used for tasks such as computer control, voice information, dictation, phonogram transcription, and of course it is used for speech recognition in Google Translator and as well as in applications that help people with hearing impairments to communicate. So the diagram of activity. The main steps will be to enter the app, to choose function of speech to text function, to use the microphone on the telephone. User should give a permission to use the microphone on the phone, to to make the record of the people's speech and to convert it into text. So it's the first look. It is the entrance or registration page, and if people registrate, we can extract the information and improve our app. Appearance of applications. We can see in this picture blue square where will be the text which speaker will be talking. And of course we can add short answers and text, and we see the dark blue button, click to record, or we click and we record the voice of people. So recognition, it is result. We talked long sentences, very difficult sentences, and we can see the result. Of course, there are some errors, but to sum up, app works very well, and CLON show very good results. Word analysis. We make analysis what words are most frequent, and the most frequent word is hello, of course, because a lot of people say this word hello, and it is very popular among people. And other greetings are also very popular. So the most popular words can be recognized very well, and not very frequent word can be recognized not very well. So it's typically for a lot of apps. So, and how it looks like, how it be look like. And conclusion. The developing program will be improved, and of course we can provide the following options which will be in our app. We of course want to add filters for speech perception. That is, the conversation of speech into text will be more accurate if you specify the topic of conversation. I just said about it. Of course, we want our app to integrate with modern platforms, and it will be convenient and beneficial, and we can gain some money if we add advertising banners of interactive format, namely mini games based on the canvas model of the user's internet browser. So that's all. Thank you.